Kuchi, a picturesque coastal gem, has quite the spicy history. Once upon a time, this place was the bustling marketplace of merchants from Europe, East Asia, and the Arabic cities, trading spices like they were gold. And guess what? This historical pizzazz adds a little extra flavor to its seafood offerings, making them tastier than your grandma's secret recipe. Now, let's dive into the culinary delight known as mean pali chatu. This dish stars the pearl spot fish, which is as delicate as a baby's breath and gets all snuggled up in banana leaves for cooking. Not only does this highlight local cooking traditions, but it also brings a whole new meaning to leafy greens. Who needs salad when you have fish wrapped that nicely? Speaking of deliciousness, coconut oil and a symphony of spices are the rock stars in Kerala's seafood dishes. They don't just add flavor, they pack a punch of health benefits that could make a kale smoothie jealous. If you haven't tried cooking with coconut oil, it's time to step into the luscious world of tropical flavors. Now let's shimmy over to how we make that mouth-watering gabby fry. This involves layering spices and coconut milk, then wrapping everything in banana leaves and steaming it like it's about to take a sauna. And boy, does that enhance the flavor and the texture. Trust me, your taste buds will be throwing a party. Fun fact alert. The restaurant dishing out this heavenly gabby fry has been around since 1983, thanks to a culinary enthusiast who decided to spread joy through food. Talk about dedication. No wonder customers find themselves returning decade after decade. It's like a delicious high school reunion, but with less awkward small talk and more food. They call gabby fry the Indian caviar, and let me tell you, it's as significant as your mom's secret sauce, only a fraction of the price. This dish is particularly popular along India's east coast, proving that you don't need to break the bank to enjoy luxurious flavors. Just think of it as a fancy dinner party where everyone's invited. To kick things up a notch, those fish eggs get coated with a mix of spices before they take a swim in the hot oil. This creates a crispy texture that would make a potato chip cry with envy. Every bite is like a flavor explosion in your mouth, a delightful taste sensation that's impossible to resist. But wait, the backdrop of Kerala's backwaters adds its own magic. The local environment contributes to the seafood's freshness, like a spa day for fish. The unique ecosystem here supports a variety of aquatic life, making every catch fresher than that last-minute pizza you ordered. And let's not forget about kaka masala, a crowd favorite made with local clams. This dish is so simple yet bursting with flavor that it feels like a hug for your taste buds. It's a delicious way to enjoy the ocean's bounty and a testament to the region's culinary heritage. Now let's take a detour into the pickling world. This video delves into various cultural pickling traditions, comparing Korean kimchi and German sauerkraut to our beloved fish pickling. It's a universal love affair that shows just how much we adore tangy flavors, like an international condiment convention. Did you know that India has been pickling fish since around 2030 BC? Yep, it's a tradition that's as old as some of us might feel after a long week. This ancient practice showcases how food evolves over time, adding a historical layer to those delicious bites. The preparation method for this pickled fish involves a flavorful spice mix for tuna that's more intricate than your ex's excuses. These steps transform regular fish into something worthy of a five-star dining experience, all while giving your taste buds a real workout. Now, the dish pays homage to the chef's childhood memories of prawns, blending traditional Indian flavors with contemporary cooking. This personal touch is like adding a sprinkle of nostalgia, making it comforting and exciting all at once, like a warm hug from your grandma. To amp up the flavor, the prawns get a glorious bath of lemon, salt, and olive oil. These Mediterranean vibes infuse the dish with zest, making sure every prawn shines like a little celebrity on your plate. If you thought prawns couldn't get any tastier, think again. The cooking process also includes sautéing garlic and chili flakes in olive oil, creating a fragrant base that would make your neighbors peek over the fence in jealousy. This technique isn't just about flavor. It's about setting the mood, a culinary romance that sizzles. Next up, we're grilling those prawns and stir-frying a colorful mix of veggies. It's not just cooking, it's a vibrant celebration on your plate. With all these vibrant flavors and techniques, This dish will have everyone asking for seconds or possibly thirds. It's that good. As we wrap things up, let's explore the rich variety of seafood options, like clams and fried prawns, showcasing a smorgasbord of tastes and textures. These choices reflect the region's culinary diversity, like the colorful flags at a food festival. Everyone's got their favorites. And finally, let's not forget the mean mata. This dish shines a spotlight on its fish eggs that elevate the dining experience to new heights. It's the epitome of fusion cuisine, blending flavors that make your mouth dance with joy. Who knew dining could be so much fun?